guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For the starting of this vlog, I'll be doing a voiceover because I'm not feeling too well. So for this video, I'll be trying the Subway new series menu, and I believe I got a champ sub. I'll put a correction if not. So here I'm just in Subway showing you guys the new menu. It's also independence in my country, that's why the flags and balloons are up. So at the end of this video, I'll be rating the sub and other snacks that I'm going to be trying in this video out of 10. So here you guys can see the lady is making the sub. This is all that I've ate so far. So as I said, I wasn't feeling too well and still not, but I was struggling to finish this drink. Yeah. Let's go shopping now. Here I'm on my way to the supermarket and to the beauty supply store, so come with me. Mind you, this is gonna be my first time trying these snacks, the Takis and the chocolate. Guys, I'm going over by the market to get some plantains. I want to take you guys with me. Guys, the last thing I have to do, I have to go by the supermarket to get some popcorn, some of the microwave popcorn.
The 2023 Women's Nation League qualifiers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. So for today, as you guys know, I'm not feeling well, so that's why I did a voiceover in the beginning of the video. I'm still not really feeling too good as yet, not really recovered, but yeah, for the Subway, I taste tested the champ, I believe, and for that, personally, I feel like if you're a basic eater, you're not really big on flavors and the mints and the extra stuff, then I feel like that sub is for you because it's very basic, very made. Personally, I will rate that uh, if you like big back food like me, then that's not for you. I'll rate it a 4.5. I rated a 4.5 out of 10. I was gonna say a 5, but it has the chicken, um, onion and green pepper, and just ranch. Like basic as I like. Nothing too extra, not extra flavors. Personally, I feel like in order to get that extra kick, you will have to add like extra sauces. As you guys saw, I went shopping after in supermarket and stuff like that, and I picked up a few snacks. Picked up this and the red one to it that I already tried. I didn't finish the whole thing because I want to do something extra to it, which is the one in the red packaging. This one. And I also picked up some Takis. I've never tried Takis. Listen, I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for quite a while now. Like, and I've always heard persons talking about Takis, but I've asked one of my friends if she ever tried it, and she said yes, and she said it's ass. And she said her friend tried it too, and both of them did not enjoy it. So I'm going to see for myself. This is the hot chili, pepper and lime flavor. So before we get into the Takis, let's talk about this. This is a biscuit filled with marshmallow covered in chocolate. The blue one is biscuit filled with marshmallow and jam and covered with chocolate flavored coating. So one has jam and one has just marshmallow. So for this one with just the marshmallow, um if you're not really a horse, so if you don't really like different textures, then these is not for you. I have not tried this one. I'm going to try it on camera, but this is not for you. Persons who don't like different textures would not like it. Alright, like if you just feel to eat something sweet, then I guess. But since it has marshmallow inside, I'm going to try to heat it up to give like a smooth effect. So it is on the inside. Has the marshmallow inside and the biscuit and chocolate outside. So I guess they were going for like a smooth type of thing. So I'm going to heat up the marshmallow and come back and try to see if it would taste better with the marshmallow melted. Okay guys, I got the marshmallow melted. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, let me try it now. Honestly, no. It tastes much better with the marshmallow melted. Yeah. So, but it's like every time you buy this and you want to eat it, you're going to have to melt the marshmallow. It's like who get time for that? But it's like if you get time for that, then um you know when you melt marshmallow, you get a smoky taste. The smoky taste smoking taste at this extra kick. Yeah, yeah. I'll give it a I'll give it a 5 out of 10 not melted. And melted I'll give it a 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10 melted. Oh, and for those of you who are wondering, I got all of these. I got all of them at Curry's. What kind of Curry's is it? A Curry's with the opposite flow. Here this one. We serve the Curry's name. This up and me get them in. Okay, I'm going to be trying the blue one now, which is the biscuit filled with marshmallow and jam. Oh, and I want to do vlogmas. I want to partake in the vlogmas so this is how this one is looking. I'm not seeing the jam. I'm not seeing the jam as yet, but I jam there. Let me take another bite. I jam there. Yes, no jam. Actually, there was jam in the middle. I mean, I taste no jam here. But no, me ignorant there. Basically, same rating that I give the other one, I'm going to give to this. Yes, no jam. I need some water. Here. The moment you have been waiting for, well, I've been waiting for. Puppy shop. These are red as hell. And I like drop in there. So for I'm on the moment for you. For those of you who don't spend money, I like drop a thing. I like drop a thing evening. As me show this in the dollar, me show them in red. See how red this be. Red. Okay, I'm going to try. Double bishop. It smell hot. Let me stop there. Start this fertile thing. Sheesh. Hey, hey, no. That's just one bite, man. That's just half a bite. People that eat this like enjoyment type shit. Like people eat this. There's just see people from like foreign and so and I eat this and that. How? Like enjoyment type shit. How? This hat. It kinda get like a flavor in like crazy. It kinda get like a flavor in like hot Cheetos. The flavor is kinda similar ish. but they say it's like the thing about Cheetos, bad Cheetos, it does take a while. It's like you have to eat like say probably like three like probably like 3 bites in, you'll start to feel. But this is just half a bite. Bear in mind, half a bite. Yeah, me going let me brothers and sister and mommy try this. Me going to save it back. Cause personally, I know me that take me going to finish this. But let me finish the other half. It's like soon as you put it in your mouth, it's like a burst of flavors. And if you notice, a lot of we're supposed to call the seasoning, you know. A lot of go on the outside, and everything I let go in your mouth. Let go. It's serious. It's serious. Oh, and it hard. So if I know I think not too financial, keep it. Tasty. If you notice, it has a lime on the bag. It tastes the lime a little. A little. So like after I did that. Okay, so I've kind of recovered from that. Let me rate that and get this over with. Okay, for if I somebody really like spices, then the flavoring and it's sitting a bad. Kind of tastes like a Cheetos, but spicy. Hotter. We're gonna rate it at 8 out of 10. If we like something like that for this the overall taste, but for the spice level, I'll go 10 out of 10. Especially if I think I have fingers after. A solid 10. But for me personally, I would 1 out of 10. So yeah, just the flavoring is what give it the 1 for me out of 10. That's it for this video. I will be trying all of the Subway, the new menu from the new series menu. So the champ was one that I did. We're starting off. Thank you guys for liking this video, subscribing, and keeping up with me.